Aces, it's time to stop struggling in silence. If you're watching this right now, chances are you are alone. Maybe you've just wiped away tears that nobody else sees. I want you to know something important. I see you, and I understand your pain. But today, your journey to complete healing begins. And let me be honest with you. What you are about to learn in this video contradicts everything you've been told about healing and moving on. This isn't about giving it time, staying strong for the kids, or focusing on the positive. Because let's face it, if time really healed all wounds, why does your heart still feel so heavy years later? Now, if you wake up some mornings still reaching for someone who's no longer there, if you put on a brave face for your children while crying in the shower, or you feel like you're drowning in silence after the kids go to bed, if you wonder if you'll ever feel truly whole again, or are tired of people telling you to just move on, then what you're about to discover could change everything. Here's why. I've uncovered what I call the buried pain blueprint. The hidden reason why women like us stay stuck in silent suffering, even years after the initial pain. This discovery explains why time heals all wounds is the cruelest myth we've been told. And more importantly, reveals a proven path to true healing that doesn't require you to pretend or stay strong. But I must warn you, this message isn't for everyone. It's only for women who are ready to finally heal the pain they've been carrying alone, who are finally ready to stop pretending everything is fine when it isn't, who want to create a new future where you are actually excited about it, or show your children what real strength looks like. And for women who just want to transform your story from tragedy to triumph. If I'm speaking to you, then keep watching. But first, who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Dr. Onuzo, and as a communication expert, life and business coach with years of experience working with women, I've walked both sides of this path. First, as a woman battling with a broken marriage, emotional exhaustion, financial struggles, and the challenge of raising children alone. And now, as someone who has helped many other women do the same. I've spent years helping women like you heal, rebuild, and rediscover their inner strength. But before I could help others, I had to walk this journey myself. I know what it's like to cry silently at night while putting on a strong face for the world. To feel like a part of you is missing, like the person you used to be is gone. To carry the burdens you never expected while the world expects you to keep going like nothing happened. And through my own journey and the countless women I've worked with, I discovered something powerful. Most women don't actually heal. They just learn to live with the pain. They keep themselves busy to distract from it. They smile for others while secretly feeling broken inside. They bury their emotions and hope they will go away. But buried pain doesn't disappear. It turns into fear of trusting again. It becomes the exhaustion you carry every single day. It's the quiet quiet voice in your head that whispers, "You're not good enough." And the worst part, we've been told this is just how life is, that we should move on and be strong. But that's a lie, because buried pain doesn't heal, it grows. But not anymore. Introducing Picking Up the Pieces. This is not just another self-help book filled with empty advice. It is the exact healing roadmap you've been searching for. Inside this book, you'll discover the ugly truth behind looking good while hurting inside. Why dressing up your pain doesn't make it go away. This you will find on page 16. And then when you move over to page 25, you will find the only opinion that matters in your healing journey, and why focusing on this can change everything for you. The number one parenting mistake that creates emotionally distant men. If we don't fix this now, the next generation of relationships is doomed. This you would see on page 40 to 41. Now, what you should know before saying "I do" again. The missing piece in most relationship advice that could save you from heartbreak. This will be found on page 36 and 37. And on pages 72 to 73, you will find the dangerous marriage habit that ends in disaster. It starts small, but over time, it can destroy even the strongest relationships. Are you making this mistake? Find out when you get to page 72 and 73. The modern relationship trap that no one is talking about. Why today's generation struggles to build deep, meaningful relationships, and how to avoid this hidden mistake. You'll find this on page 66 and 67. The divine strategy for healing and financial breakthrough. It worked for others. It can work for you. All you need to do is to flip to page 98 and 99. The hidden reason why you feel overwhelmed all the time. It's not because you are doing too much. It is because nobody ever taught you this simple shift that you will find on page 94 to 95 of the book, Picking Up the Pieces. The lie that keeps you stuck in pain. Why holding on to your past may secretly be robbing you of your future, and how to break free starting today. You will find this on page 113. Now, why some women find healing while others stay broken? Page 108 will tell you the truth about grace that defies all logic, and how understanding this can transform your life in an instant. The hidden law of survival, why some women break under pain while others rise stronger, and how this one shift in mindset ensures you never collapse under life's hardest blows. You will find this on page 120 and so much more. Just read the book, buy the book, order the book, Picking Up the Pieces. Now here's what people are saying. Don't take it from me, just hear what they're saying about the book. Consider this for a moment. Have you thought about the cost of staying in buried pain? The impact on your future relationships? The effect on your children's emotional well-being? The the toll on your professional growth, the price of delayed healing. Many women spend thousands on private therapy sessions. This could cost from $300 per hour and above. What about executive coaches? That most people splurge about $500 per session. Wellness retreats costing about $5,000 and above. And personal development programs, which could cost upwards of $2,000. Yet, these solutions often fail because they don't understand the unique challenges of women in our position. Picking up the pieces, on the other hand, doesn't just give you complete healing. It also offers a way to rebuild and live a happy life. Right now, you have two options. Option 1. Keep carrying this pain for another year, another decade, maybe even the rest of your life. Or option 2. Take the proven path to healing so you can truly move forward stronger than ever. If you're ready to stop just surviving and start living again, click the button below to learn how to get your copy. Here's what happens after you click the button. You'll get an immediate access to picking up the pieces. You'll follow the exact step-by-step system to finally process and release the pain for good. You'll discover how to rebuild your life on your own terms, stronger, wiser, and fully healed. But don't wait. Every day you wait is another day carrying the same emotional weight. This is your moment to let go, to heal, and to reclaim your future. Click the button below to learn how to get your copy.